Hello there, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, sharing another Retrospection 365 wedding version. This one was brought to us by Suzanne Hue. Thank you, Suzanne. She made this back in 2015. What is Retrospection 365 about? It's about interactive 12 by 12 layouts bound into an album. So if you've always wanted a 12 by 12 scrapbook without the plastic sleeves, here you go. This is what we did, and I'm bringing these back because I've been working on the moving parts project for about a year now. We've done multiple moving parts projects, and that revolves around 12 by 12 layouts, taking basic 12 by 12 layouts and creating interactive elements in those layouts, just to allow you more room for the 4x6s, perhaps 8x10s, 5x7s, and all of the above and below. We love the 12 by 12 format, and it just works out beautifully when you can incorporate a layout and interactive elements. It's just such a perfect marriage. And as you can see, look at all of the room for photos that you can see in this album. She used various paper collections to complete the album. Again, it's 12 by 12 in size. It's Retrospection 365, and you can find it in my shop, paperphenomenon.com.